How do you get a death certificate for cremation? Have you ever wondered what steps are involved in obtaining a death certificate for cremation? This process is essential for families navigating the loss of a loved one. Let's break it down step by step. First, the journey begins with a medical professional. This could be a doctor, coroner, or medical examiner. They are responsible for officially recording the death. The medical professional will complete and sign the death certificate. This document includes important details such as the deceased full name, date and place of death, and cause of death. Once the death certificate is signed, it becomes a legal document. This document is issued by the local vital statistics or health department office. It is crucial to have this document before moving forward with cremation. Next, the family or an authorized agent must obtain a cremation authorization form. This form needs to be signed by the next of kin. The next of kin is often the surviving spouse, adult children, or other close relatives in a legally defined order of priority. This form grants permission for the cremation to take place. After preparing these documents, both the death certificate and the signed cremation authorization form need to be submitted to the appropriate local government office. This is typically at the county level. The county will then issue a cremation permit, which is also known as a disposition permit. This permit is the legal authorization needed for the cremation to proceed. It is important to present the cremation permit and the death certificate to the funeral home or crematory before scheduling the cremation. The process and required documents can vary slightly based on local laws and customs. However, the death certificate is universally the first and essential legal document needed to authorize cremation. Keep in mind that there may be a waiting period after death before the cremation permit is issued. Fees are usually charged for both the death certificate and the cremation permit. From a cultural perspective, obtaining these documents is part of the formal legal and administrative customs surrounding death and cremation in many societies. These documents ensure that the death is officially recorded and that the cremation is conducted with proper authorization, respecting both legal requirements and family wishes. Different cultures may have additional rituals or paperwork, but the death certificate remains a key document in the process worldwide. Understanding this process can help families navigate a difficult time with clarity and respect for their traditions.